Thank you to Kelamayi for gifting me this self-cleaning broom and dustpan set so I can give my honest opinion. The broom handle is nice and tall, so it's great, so you don't have to do any bending over. And same with the dustpan. I'll show you the dustpan. It's nice and roomy, and you can flip it like this. It has teeth to self-clean the broom when you're finished to get rid of the dog hair and whatever gunk is stuck on the broom. And then it closes like that, very easily to store in your closet or stand up. It stands up very nicely on its own, which is great. So let's try out the broom. The broom has nice bristles, which I'm sure are gonna help to pick up the small little dust that can get on the floor. And let's give it a try. I have pets. I have a dog and small pet birds. So I get a lot of bird seed and things like that on the floor. So this broom is really picking up a lot of those little small seeds that get on the floor, which is excellent and really is going to help me save a lot of time. And lots and lots of bird seed on the floor. So if you have to do chores, sweep around the house, this is a definite way to make that chore a lot easier. So let's sweep in some of that gunk in there. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Wow. And there's a little bit of hair ball there. So, what I really like about it is you can self-clean the broom, and you just stick in the broom and pull it up, and out comes the fuzz. So if you want a time saver to help you with your chores, this has been a really a great broom set for me. Saves a lot of time, saves a lot of bending over. So thank you to Kelamayi.